Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on the Betvictor game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in betvictor.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Betvictor website, from which, if you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the top right corner. You will now be asked to enter your credentials. You can either use your username or your email address. Just type in whichever one you wish to use, and then you can type in your account password within the password box. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your existing account on Betvictor right away. In case you have forgotten your login details, click on Forgot Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials, entering your email address or your username. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Betvictor game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.